Hi, I'm Bill the Geek, broadcasting not live from Mazatlan, Mexico. This is the Bill Dallas Lewis channel, and we make videos about the joys of living in Mexico. In this video, we're going to get on the El Chepe train and show you the views from Copper Canyon. I planned this trip for quite some time. I've heard so much about it. You're going to love it. It was one of the greatest trips I've taken in my life. We're going to get on the train in Los Mochis, Mexico, and cruise around for about 7 hours. There are 4 parts to this video series. This is one of them. The first one tells you how to get train tickets. The second one is about the affordability of living in Los Mochis. There's this video, and the final video is our stop in Divisadero, where we have spectacular views of Copper Canyon and things to do there. The train was very comfortable, spacious, a smooth ride. It even had a restaurant car. In the restaurant, I had one of the best cheeseburgers I've ever had in my entire life. There are right around 14 possible stops you can make on this trip. And what people do is they'll go up and get off on one stop, spend a night, a couple of nights, do some hiking or just some relaxing, and then wait a couple of days and then return or go to a different stop on the next train. You want to watch the how to buy El Chepe tickets, and that video is listed in the description below. For what it's worth, when you make your ticket reservations, if you're going to take pictures, if you're headed north on the train, you want to sit on the right-hand side of the train in the window seat. If you're headed south on the train, you want to sit on the left-hand side of the train in the window seat. Please leave a comment, tell us what you think. And if you like the video, please click that like button. If you know someone that would appreciate this trip and have a good time, click the share button. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these views. We have many more videos to come, so click that subscribe button. This is the Bill Dallas Lewis channel, and we'll see you in the next video.